Welcome Forex traders. I'm looking at the Euro Aussie on the 4-hour time frame here this morning. I have just opened a sell order on this pair based on this nice stop hit formation that has appeared right here at this former level of support, now acting as resistance. Let me zoom out here for you so you can see exactly what's going on. Okay, as I always say and suggest to you, is that you should look for areas of opportunity based on where other traders have got into the market and place their stop losses, okay, because that is what is typically targeted by the banks. That is what makes the market move and strengthen as it goes, by faking out traders, taking their stop orders, and then making them move without them. And you probably know this all too well, because when you begin your trading career, that tends to happen to you quite often. I know it did me and myself and many others that I've spoken to over the years. That's essentially what happens once you learn to understand and recognize where these places are in the charts that this tends to appear the most. You will increase your profits and decrease your losing number of trades proportionally to your understanding of this very simple concept. Yet you know, it seems so simple, but it's really not. Okay, so here's what happens without going on and on about that. We establish a support right here. We retest and break through this level. Now as this is revisited, we have a retest. So we have the break and the retest. There is a 3-candle signal right there. You have the last of the bullish candles, 2 candles that wrap around this one at the level that some stops got hit right here, and we move down enough to take your 2 times profit if you got in on a pullback right here. Okay, so that was a trade where I would target the center Bollinger Band or just above this level. When I see these 3 candle signals, I tend to wait on more of a pullback. If the combination, they are in combination bigger than all the candles in the move except for this giant one right here. Okay, so without going on and beating that one in the ground, let's talk about where we're in the market right now and why. This level is a level where traders on this bounce, I'm sorry, right here, they've went short on the break. Okay, they've went short again when it hits right here. They've placed their stop losses right here. The ones that did not get taken out right here are now taken out right here. Okay, with this deep pullback into this zone of stop loss orders. Okay, the folks that are trading right here or right here to the short side are in fact more than likely targeting a level such as this right here, right along the bottom here. Okay, it did not reach that. This is why, and I stress this in every video, we take 2 times profit. We keep our profit target at or near or even contained within the most recent bounce high or low, because the market will, the statistical probability tells us, reach that level, take the stops before going the opposite direction or continuing with a breakout. So that's why we keep our stop or our targets in that location. If we have to wait on a pullback, then we do so. If we can get in straight away, then we do that as well. Okay, so it's all about where your profit target is. So you got to think about that and consider that when you enter the trade. So what happens here? We establish this level right here. We have the breakout traders trading right here. Okay, their stop orders are here. We have the traders that are playing a rebound of this level, putting their stops right here, trying to target way down here, which we know is not a good idea. And this candle right here takes out all those orders, and to the downside we go. So you can see this one candle engulfed these 2 right here. We poke our head above the level here that's established. It's just breached enough to take stops, and then it's quickly engulfed. We have a second, we have our chance for the pullback entry right here. We take it with our 2 times profit right here. I could have waited on a deeper pullback. However, my target was there. I didn't want this to move without me. As soon as you see, and sometimes I actually set a limit order while I'm looking at other things to take that entry if it pulls back real quick, and you look away and you come back. That's a really nice tactic That's a good approach to take. Set up a limit order and look at other things and come back to it. If that candle closes and it didn't make the move that you wanted, just cancel the order. Okay, so that's a real easy tool that you have to your disposal that you can use as necessary to continuously monitor other opportunities while you're waiting on that one to kick in and execute. Okay, so that's what we're looking at. This is hopefully going to be a real quick trade as the strength to the downside continues off of this broken and failed level right here. All right, the market has reopened after the weekend here, and as you can see, the price pushed right on down through our 2 times profit, as well as it's currently pushing down through this level of support, where I believe it will continue on by the looks of the overall sentiment in the market. We've went from an up market to a sideways, and now the momentum is to the downside. So at any rate, our 2 times profit target was reached. A couple more candle signals that came to follow the stop hit. We had this bearish spike candle that formed right here in the mid-range of inside formation of this candle here, the engulfing candle. So a lot of momentum to the downside on this pair.